Yes. What is your name?
My name is Dr. Patrick Mujumu. I work for Columbia University in New York, but I'm based in Malawi, and I'm heading the Soil Health Project in the region, and that is why I'm around.
Great. What is the activity for today?
Today we are in the field training Agrodealers on how to do soil sampling, so that when we go back to the laboratory or to their child, we can continue teaching them how to do simple analysis of soil properties.
Yeah, to me, agro-dealers, it sounds these are people that are dealing with agro inputs, but what have they to do with the soil testing?
Perfect question. Actually, you see, many farmers rely on the agro-dealers to understand the kind of fertilizers that they put in their soils. And to know the type of fertilizer to put in your soil, it is prudent that you do a soil test so that you are certain of the nutrients that you need to apply. And that translates to the kind of fertilizer that the agro-dealer will need to sell to the farmer so that it overcomes the nutrient deficiencies for that particular farm.
Okay, what is the benefit of these agro-dealers doing this soil testing?
Well, the benefit is that one, at the farm level, we are going to know the nutrient status of these farms which are around this area. And in the larger level, we are going to create soil maps or soil nutrient deficiency maps, which will help in extrapolating the data and coming up with new formulations of fertilizer which are tailored to the site-specific nutrient deficiencies. So the cost of fertilizer per nutrient applied should be less when we have tailored fertilizer.
Exactly. Now you're talking of agro-dealers. Is it every agro-dealers in the country, or is it how are you going to identify the agro-dealers?
Well, unfortunately, we are not covering with all the agro-dealers in the country. We have this program with SILMS, which is covering only 5 agro-dealers in eastern Zambia. And so it is something that we would have wanted to do across the country, but we don't have that support, financial support. We have not yet developed a program where we can cover the entire country. But I would be very much pleased if we can actually do it across sub-Saharan Africa, so that we can benefit our farmers.
Okay. Finally, can you give us a summary of what the activity will involve for today?
So for today, we will train the agro-dealers on how to map out a farm in terms of where do you take your samples, the processes of the soil sampling, packaging of the soil sample, and how to store it, labeling and storage.
Thank you very much. I hope the farmers, the agro-dealers are going to have a good time with you.
Thank you very much, sir.